Hey guys, it's me here. So today I'm making my hair by myself. So I got these extensions. I want to do, is it boho braids they call it? I don't know. So before I decided to eat first. So after eating, I parted my hair like this. I had a friend that helped me do that anyways. I couldn't do it myself. So I started doing my hair. So what I do is I crochet the extension into the hair and I drag it out and I start plaiting and I put my curly and I was so hungry again. I decided to eat again as a foodie that I am. So I continued making my hair and this is how it came out and I was done with the hair finally. So I went to the bathroom to do some trimming because I needed a bigger mirror. So this is me trimming my hair. So after trimming, I decided to steam my hair, a new way of putting my hair in hot water. So after steaming, I decided to put some mousse on my hair. And this is the outcome of my hair. Ta-da! Just tell me how you see it. Bye. Love you. Mwah.